Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life.
Welcome, channel.
I'm Adil. And we're here at
Color Factory.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Wilis Tower. That's where Color Factory is located. We're going to be checking this place out and give you guys a sneak peek at what this place is all about. So let's get started. Tastes like pineapple? We're lost in the woods here, right? We lost? We don't know where to go. Let's go this way. Which way should we go? No, it's coming. Woo, we made it. Well, there you folks have it, Color Factory, located at the Wilis Tower. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place or anything else, be sure to put it in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.